Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create text snippets using Grammarly. So guys, if you want to write more in less time with text snippets, so open this grammarly.com and scroll down and here click on snippets and get this Grammarly for business. So this feature will work in Grammarly for business. You can get and get you can take the trial period for free if you are using the three people. Click on continue. Sign up with your Gmail or Facebook ID and fulfill this payment method. So this way guys you can use Grammarly business and all features for and you will get the all features. So thanks for watching.